Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2008 CG Holden Captiva 7 CX all-wheel drive. This vehicle sustained damage to the rear. This vehicle is fitted with a 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an all-wheel drive automatic transmission. We have the bonnet, radiator grille, left-hand fog light, the left-hand front guard. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mag wheels. We have the left-hand power door mirror, left-hand front door appears to have no damage, left-hand rear door appears to have no damage. Factory 17-inch alloy mag wheel, left rear. Factory 17-inch alloy mag wheel, right rear has a good tyre. We have the right-hand front door, right-hand power door mirror, right-hand front guard. Factory 17-inch alloy mag wheel, right front has a good tyre. We have the right-hand headlight and right-hand fog light. There's the driver's power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with a factory grey cloth interior. There's a tidy automatic transmission, center console, tidy handbrake lever, factory AC controls, factory 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, automatic transmission instrument cluster, black leather steering wheel with steering wheel controls. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.